Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit Black Moody using Lightroom Mobile. And here is the picture of before and after effect. Let's get started editing. First, go to Light. Bring the exposure to -20. Contrast up to +30. Highlight down to -40. Shadows up to +30. -30 for whites. And black up to 10. Next, go to curve. Set the curve like this. Now go to color. +6 for temperature. Vibrance up to +30. And saturation down to -20. Next, go to mix. -10 for saturation and luminance. Next, go to orange. -30 for saturation and +15 for luminance. Next, go to yellow. -100 for hue and saturation. And luminance down to -20. Next, go to green. Saturation down to -100. And -102 for saturation in aqua. Next, go to blue. Saturation down to -100 and luminance down to -30. Next, -100 for saturation in purple and magenta. Click Done. Now go to Effect. +10 for texture and clarity. Dehaze up to +16. Vignette down to -30. And 0 for midpoint. Next, go to split tone. 256 for a hue and 8 for saturation in highlight. $211 for hue and 9 for saturation in shadows. Next, let's go to details. Sharpening up to 60. $30 for noise reduction. And $20 for color noise reduction. And done. Now, let's try this preset to another photo. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike if you don't like it, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notification. And that's it for today. Stay creative and see you in next video. Bye bye.